We got this little 6-volt Power Wheels. It's pretty slow. And it plays music. I mean, it's not that slow, it's kind of slow. But I'm going to see if we can convert this thing to 18 volts. So, should be 3 times the power. Should be fun. We'll see what happens. Alright, so existing battery is right here. I guess we're not going to need a fuse anymore. It should be really simple. I'm just going to hook up, you like that? 2 wires here, positive and negative. Just going to get these to wire into our new... The seat, yeah, there's no seat on it. I'm going to fix it. Should we make it go fast?
Yeah.
Should we make this 4-wheeler really fast? There it is. Alright. Are you putting the seat back on? No, we're gonna rip this thing apart.
No.
Yeah, and then put it back together. That's backwards, Cindy. Alright, so this is the bottom of a Makita flashlight. The Makita flashlights are really cheap, especially if you can buy one broke. Any broken power tool will work. These are nice. You cut the top off, solder on 2 cables, get your wire connections. We're gonna mount this right on the back here, so we can slide the battery in real easy. Don't have to pull the seat off or mess around with that. So we'll see. Alright, so we need a hole for our wires to go through. We're gonna put it, I'm gonna try to miss the original battery charger. So if this doesn't work out, we can just go right back to the old one. So I'm gonna put the hole in somewhere in there. It's hard to do. Alright, now we're through. Now we can get our wires in through that hole. Here, Finn. Film this, okay? Okay, hold that. Shine it right at the back here where I'm putting this. Okay. No, look at the screen. Make sure you're filming it. Alright, my 3-year-old son is filming now. So, now we got this mounted up nice and snug. We're going to put a screw in right here. Here, back up, Finn, so you're not too close. Okay, unscrew in. And I just drilled a couple holes in the battery here. Just make sure you miss the wires. Alright, 2 screws. Should we put more than 2 in?
Yeah.
3?
Yeah, you forget.
How about 4?
Yeah, boy.
Alright, pour. Oh. I don't know where that one went. Alright, so we got our 2 wires in here. Now we need these to hook up to up here. Okay? So hold that camera back a little. Thanks, you're a good cameraman. So we're gonna connect to the existing wires. And that's all we have to do. I think we're gonna pop that fuse, but we'll see. We'll leave the fuse in. How's the camera going? Alright, fine. So these 2 wires now. One of these are positive, one's negative. I guess I should have looked at that. That will now connect to these, and then we should have power. Alright, so I made up these fancy double male connectors because we have 2 females to connect here. Here, Finn, do you want to film for me again?
Really?
Do you want to film for me?
Yeah.
Alright, hold the camera right here. Point it down, yeah, right there. Okay, so these aren't, I forgot to check which one's positive, which one's negative. Oh, don't touch any. Uh-oh. Alright. And so we're just going to take a guess and hope that we're right. I'm going to squeeze these a little tighter. Alright, so I'm going to plug one in here. Oh, man. Alright. If I have these plugged in backwards, worst case, the thing will just drive backwards. But 50% chance it'll be right. Okay? And how's the filming going? Alright, so we're hooked up. Alright. Should we put the seat back on? So this is a great... my battery's good in this already, but this would be good fun to do. I apologize for this. How's it here, Finn? What are you doing? All right. So, you want me to open this?
Yeah.
Those will go everywhere. You'll spill them. I'm not going to open it. Do you want to ride your four-wheeler? We just need a battery. That's the old battery. We have the new battery here. 18 volt. Can be much faster. Hopefully. All right. The battery is in.
Yeah, I don't go.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
All right, try it, Finn. Whoa. Whoa. It's backwards. All right, we got to flip the wires. Hop up. Look out. Stop, Finn, stop. This way. All right. Don't worry, this won't take long. All right. So, here, hold the camera. Just point it. So we'll take this, and we'll take this, and we'll switch them. All right. Boom. The fuse didn't break yet. Whoa. Okay.
Whoa.
Wow. Maybe we need some electrical tape. It's true. When the positive and negative touch each other, that makes fire. So let's take the battery out and put some little electrical tape in this. All right, so we got electrical tape this time, so hopefully no more fire, right?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, sorry. Did I get you? Sorry, buddy. All right, screw in. All right, Finn, try her out. Wait, we need to put a battery in it. All right, let's see if it works. Look out. Whoa. Whoa! Is it fast?
Yeah, guys. I got on my gift
All right, there you go. Can you keep it on the sidewalk?
No.
All right, see if you can keep it on the sidewalk. Yeah, there you go. Lean back. I'll do it. Whoa! That was awesome. Okay, you gonna try it?
It can go in grass.
No, maybe. Here, sit down. Oh, scoot it up a little.
It just sounds noisy.
Yeah, it's just louder. That's all. Just a little louder. Wow. Is it too fast for you?
Just don't hold it in, that's a problem.
You gonna try again? Was that awesome?
Yeah, I never liked him. This game. Whoa.
Keep her straight, man. You're gonna have to weld the diff in this thing. All right. Okay, I'm good. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Wow. You should put a helmet on.
Can you just please put brakes on it?
Oh, yeah. I don't know if I can put brakes on it. Does it need brakes?
Yeah, because it goes.